everyone. So in this video we will be learning the basics and fundamentals of mobile push and how we can use mobile push in marketing cloud. So to get started we will see the window of marketing cloud. Here we will navigate to mobile push, and once you are in mobile push, right, you need to let's say it's first time we are setting up top, right. In that case we will not be having any app uh, created from before, so we will go to administration, and here we will see the create new app option. We will give our app a name, let's say test. Okay, and we'll click on save. Okay, so now coming over here, so we will see this. We will get the access token and the app ID. So these two we need to share with our mobility or mobile development team, and they will add that in their SDK. Okay, and they will be sharing in, if it's Android, right, they will be sharing the Firebase JSON config file, which will be available in the Firebase console. So once they share that, we can upload that file here, right. And if it's iOS, then they will be sharing you the APNS certificate, so the APNS key. So that value we will add and we can test our configuration. So once that is done, we can click on save, and on the side of mobility, right, what they will do is while configuring the mobile push, they will have to look into the SDK implementation, right, for mobile push. So mobile push and journey builder apps SDK. Mobile push allows to create and send targeted push messages based on cross-channel customer data to engage app users and deliver increased ROI. You can integrate mobile push campaign with any email, SMS, and this. Okay, so why would you do that? To drive engagement, gain valuable user insight, easily build cross-channel campaigns, segment and schedule messages. So you can someone from mobility team, right? They, if they're implementing, they will go through the document, and if it's a React native or Flutter or all this, right, they will have respective SDKs here which they can install. So getting started, a document, everything will be mentioned here on how to implement the SDK, right. So implement SDK in Android. So we will have all these steps like implement the SDK, set up Firebase, okay, initialize the SDK, and what needs to be done on the mobile side. So that is something which mobile team will take care. Coming to our SFMC, once that is done from the mobile side, right, we are ready to create the messages and start sending the push notifications. So here we will select inbox message. So inbox is something which will show up inside the app. Okay, so we'll select that here. In mobile message, we'll give it a name, let's say something. We will give this, and we'll choose, let's say, automation. We want to send it using automation. We can send both alert plus inbox or inbox only. Alert is something which is coming in the notification track which you do from above. Okay, so that drop down, so an inbox is something which is inside the app. You select that, click on next. You need to select audience, so in that case we will select a data extension. Okay, so here I will randomly select, but make sure if you are using a data extension, right, it should have a primary key as contact key, and that contact key should be mapped to the subscriber key. Okay, so here I am randomly selecting in order to proceed. Okay, so now clicking on next. So this is the place where we will write our content, right? Let's say hello world. We can give any push notification content. Okay, we can also use some AMP script code here, by the way. So if we want to personalize, right, let's say first name, so we can do that, or we can also use some complex AMP script code here. Okay, like lookup ordered rows or something which you want to show some data here. We can do those kind of things here, update, insert, all the functions we can use. Okay, so this is for push alert. Similarly, inbox message also we can add here. Now you can use a delimiter, because here we don't have the body, so we can use a delimiter and we can have the body here, right? So we can have anything here, and then select a page. So here this option is there, so you can select any cloud page, whatever is available, right? Any blank cloud page you can select, because this has to be there. Okay, so create a cloud page and you select that, and update iOS batch, you can do yes. Campaign, if you have a campaign, right? So by the way, campaign we can create from here. So once you have created, you can add the campaign, do the message preview here, and once that is done you can go to next. So it will ask me to add a cloud page. Let's say I select a cloud page. Now I think go to next page. So you will get a preview, okay, of the message, and you can activate it. So once you activate it, you can use this in your automation. Now coming to uh, this, right? So if you want to send this using journey builder push notification, that you will not be able to send from here. Notice one thing, when we come here we do not see the journey builder or interaction option here. So for that we need to go to content builder. So in content builder, right, you will be creating the message. So you can create, see here, mobile, in-app, push notification, both you can create. So let's say we are creating push notification. Here it's pretty simple. You just need to create it just like email we create. So you give your title, let's say hello, and subtitle maybe we can disable it, and message, let's say hello, or media, again we can disable it. Behavior, you can give a web URL, so you can give a website link, let's say www.google.com, where on the alert message click, where it will redirect. Okay, or you can give a app URL. So if it's a app URL, the path will be shared by the mobile team. Okay, like let's say ABC. So that is the path, or let's say home page. Okay, home page. So in the app, whenever this will be clicked, this alert, it will directly open that page inside the app. Okay, so the app will open. So once this is done, you can basically save and exit. Okay, and your mobile push is ready to be used in the journey builder. So coming to journey builder, okay, so coming to journey builder, you will click on create new to create a new journey. Okay, now see, data extension we can use as a source. We can use anything as a source here. Okay, but make sure the contact ID is mapped to subscriber key, because mobile push is sent against contact ID, unlike SMS, which is sent against phone number, or email, which is sent against email address. Mobile push will be sent against the contact ID or contact key. Now coming here, you can see all the notifications which you can select. Let's say we select a mobile push, and you will be able to select only the content builder mobile push notifications from here. So here you will click on this, and you will be able to select your mobile push. Let's say I select a random one. Here you need to select the app. So any app you can select here which you want to send to, and then iOS increment batch, you can use this. Advanced options, you can leave that, uh, and basically you can send it from here. Okay, now if it's a inbox, right, that too also you can select from here. Okay, so it is taking some time to load, but it's similar way. Okay, we can select the inbox also, and in-app messages also from here. Okay, so, and maybe we can use a decision split to make sure the contact ID is not null. Okay, and then we can schedule and activate the journey. So basically that is a quick overview and about mobile push. I hope it was insightful, and see you again in the next video then. Till then, thank you.